Hi guys, so were you waiting for me to help you out with past perfect continuous tense? So here I am with that. Past perfect continuous tense creates an issue for most of us. Let me get it straight. In this video, you'll be able to understand this tense, understand the situation of this tense, which will help you to use this tense correctly and efficiently. So let's get started. So past perfect continuous tense. So we have done past perfect and we have also done past continuous tense. So what is so special about this tense? Nothing as such. So let's get it cleared. Let's take an example from past continuous to understand the exact situation of past perfect continuous. So here I have written a sentence in past continuous form. So it says that the bird was making its nest when I was drinking tea. So here both the situations, both the activities are in motion, are parallelly moving. So I can say that this is a temporary situation, just a situation pointing out in just a second or for a little part of the time. But what if I want to say the duration, I want to convey the duration of this activity? So who is going to help me out with this situation? Definitely the past perfect continuous tense. So how will this sentence actually look like? This is how it is going to look. So the bird. So this is the bird which comes every day at my window. So the bird had been making its nest, I can say, for 2 days. So when you are having a requirement to show the duration of some activity that was going on in the past, then this is the tense that you are supposed to use. But if you just want to say something that was temporarily going on, so the past continuous tense is the tense of that situation. Let us understand this tense in a little more detail. So let's understand it here, past, present and future. So let us connect this thing with a sentence. That's it. I have written just a simple sentence which says that she was waiting in the queue from 11 to 12. So how this situation might actually look? So her act of waiting started at 11 o'clock, I can say, which continued for an hour. So when you are willing to show the duration of some action or activity, this is the tense of choice. Now this duration can be anything. It can be of seconds, it can be of minutes, it can be of hours, days, months, years, any. So, and don't you think by reading this that even this is the tense that many a times we tend to use in our routine? जैसे कि अगर मैं कहूँ बीच में हम वैक्सीन के इंजेक्शंस के लिए सब लोग लाइन में कितने घंटे खड़े रहते थे, तो हम क्या बोलते थे, ये सिचुएशन को हम कैसे प्रेजेंट करते थे, यार कल तो मैं 3 घंटे तक लाइन में खड़ा था वैक्सीन के लिए। तो ये सिचुएशन जो हमारी लाइव सिचुएशन हमारे साथ में हुई है, वो सिचुएशन कौन से टेंस को रिप्रेजेंट करती है? वो सिचुएशन रिप्रेजेंट करती है पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमने ड्यूरेशन को हाईलाइट किया है कि मैं 3 घंटे तक लाइन में खड़ा था, वेट कर रहा था, तो मेरा एक्शन और एक्टिविटी, वेटिंग की एक्टिविटी 3 घंटे तक चल रही थी। सो जब भी आपको ड्यूरेशन दिखाना है तो ये टेंस यूज करना है। लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड हाउ दिस टेंस विल गो विद डिफरेंट प्रोनाउंस। Okay, so do you like to read? Okay, let's take that verb. So I had been reading. We had been reading. You had been reading. I am very much sure the rest you might have already written. If you're writing along with me, you should always have practice of working along with me. So by the end of the video, you have already mastered the tense. It had been reading. Oops. Okay, there you go. And they also had been reading. Very much easy? Very? Okay. So let us see how to make the sentence into question and negative. Ready? I had been reading the newspaper. Do you have habit of reading newspaper? If not, have it. I had been reading the newspaper almost for an hour. Wow, for an hour. Okay. Let us try converting it into question and negative form. Would you like to try it by yourself? Go ahead, pause the video, make 2 sentences and come back and we'll write together. Ready? Fine. So the sentence says that I had been reading the newspaper for an hour. How would the question form look? What do I have to help me convert this sentence into a question? Yes, we have the word had. So, had I been reading the newspaper for an hour? How it would look in the negative form? I had not been reading the newspaper for an hour. Easy to understand? Very much. Have you, or I can say, are you slowly and gradually gaining confidence in using this tense? Are you getting the concept clear and right? I'm pretty much sure. Okay, let us see what are the common errors that we make while using the tense. Okay, let me write few sentences having errors, and you at that side try to point out my errors. Okay, so here I go. What kind of errors should I make? So I have written those sentences and I would like you guys to spot the errors. So here, what is the error? Are you able to zoom into the sentence and get the error? Yes, absolutely right. I have missed the been, the third form of be. Now, do you remember why we require this been over there? Yes, we have the perfect tense, the perfect part of the tense. And so whenever we have, I guess in previous lectures we have discussed this, that whenever we are having a have, has or had, and we are having a verb behind them, then it has to be in the third form. And because we are having ing form, we need to call be for the help to help us complete the structure of the tense. And so we use the third form of be here. Okay, so well, what is the error over here? Yes, I have written has instead of had, and this is present and not past. So this is a big mess that I have made. So here I'll be writing had to rectify my errors. So guys, whenever you are making the sentence of past perfect continuous tense, pay attention to situation, pay attention to the form of verb that you are picking. So this will help you to spot your errors and rectify them.